Remember that we are children of the universe. In this realm of duality, we have souls at various stages of this journey. Everyone has a spark of the divine within, even the darkest. So on a scale of dark being the most negative we can possibly be, as far removed from our heart center as we can be, right through the scale to the light, we have every kind of soul within this. The majority of humans are in the grey area somewhere. Not bad, not good, a little bit bad. Well, we've reached the stage in humanity where this simply is not enough. Denial and excuses are not the answer. You're only prolonging misery by remaining with one foot on both sides. It is an impossible situation. You cannot progress in this state. Responsibility does not reside in this state. Pure love does not reside in this state. I was actually thinking this morning as I was out walking, and this thought, it's a comment that is regularly used by people when they say there's a thin line between love and hate. Well, this simply cannot be, because love in its purest sense can never be connected to anything negative. It is as far removed from hate as you possibly can be on that scale of dark to light. If you value life and look at life as the darkest being the most evil, what we consider evil, the least evolved souls on this planet, which all must in time move towards the light. There is no choice in this. So the sooner we embrace this knowing, the better. Because otherwise you will keep returning again and again and again and again to this earth plane until you learn the lessons, until you become a light being. And this is where you hold the greatest power. Because the power of love in its highest, purest form cannot be defeated. It's an impossibility. Love is a continuum. It crosses all barriers, all universal barriers. So humanity wakes up to the realization that karma, the universal law, is very real. Everything is registered on your soul. Each of us has an Akashic record. So, with that in mind, I was merely checking out my new camera, or ability to work from my computer in my own home, rather than trying to go outside and take footage. So this is rather a wonderful, delightful learning curve. And each day we should always be learning something new. Every single day of our lives we should be learning something new. In light and love, I leave you for now. Thank you for watching.